Want to go from just another realtor to the go-to expert in your area? Step 1. Unleash your inner content creator. Start a blog or YouTube channel focusing on hyperlocal market trends, neighborhood guides, and answer frequently asked questions from buyers and sellers. Think blog posts titled Top 5 Reasons to Move to Neighborhood Name or videos on understanding property taxes in your city. Step 2. Become a pillar of your community. Sponsor local events, volunteer for neighborhood initiatives, or even host a free home buying seminar at the local library. This shows you're invested in the area and builds trust. Step 3. Consistent communication is key. Regularly update your social media with valuable information, respond promptly to inquiries, and nurture your existing client relationships through personalized emails and check-in calls. Finally, showcase your successes. Ask satisfied clients for testimonials and feature them prominently on your website and social media. Positive reviews are powerful social proof of your expertise and commitment. By consistently implementing these strategies, you'll establish yourself as the trusted authority in your market, attracting a steady stream of clients seeking your knowledge and guidance. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate tips. #authority building #real estate expertise.